Hi, it's Sean, and this is video number 1 of my collection room in my new apartment in Deep River. So as you can see, back up to the door, you can see the size of the room compared to what I had in my old apartment. So anyway, I'll take you through what I have so far. So you have the Masters of the Universe Revelation figure here, Scareglow, and of course the Masters of the Universe Minis figure. And of course the centerpiece of my Masters of the Universe Origins is Castle Grayskull. Of course I'll soon move in the shelves that can be used for the other Origins figures and the vintage figures. You can see 3 of the 4 coasters I have here: Star Wars coaster, Motu coaster, Back to the Future coaster, all what I got at the Fan Expo late October. And of course this is my Masters of the Universe Mega Construx / Motu Minis shelf. There's another Motu Minties over there, and Skeletor, Mega Construx. And the first Mega Construx set I built, the Battle of Eternia collection. As you can see here, I aligned the figures with their poses and card backing, mostly. And of course the Battle Ram, which is still under construction. And Panther at Point Dread. And the masked Mega Construx Battle Cat, yes. So if I step back, you can see the sheer amount of space you have in the center of the room. So what I figure is I'm probably going to put my figures against the wall on their shelves. And I can have the center of the room, maybe a little table for assembly. Because you can see I have a few figures here. I have a Captain Picard figure. I have 2 figures from Episode 1, Newt Gunray and Jar Jar Binks. And then I have the 2 vintage collection figures, Boba Fett and Lando Calrissian. And of course I have the Rogue One Darth Vader. Then I have some bigger figures, Kylo Ren, but if you look, you'll see the red marks on his helmet, so you know he is the Episode 9 Kylo Ren. And of course, Solo from Solo: A Star Wars Story. And then of course I have a couple die-cast cars here. I have Herbie itself. That's 1/18 scale. And then I have a 1/18 scale Volkswagen, Aqua Volkswagen, that the Motu Mega Construx figures can fit in this, but they can also fit in the 24 scale model cars. So that's about all for now for my Toy Room Tour Part 1. Well, new apartment Toy Room Tour Part 1. Tomorrow I hope to bring over a couple of shelving units with the vintage and Origins Masters of the Universe toys. I'll set them up along the walls, and that'll start off Part 2. So I'll see you all tomorrow, and have a good night.